Okay, now, Toriso.
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to pick a number from 1 to 5. Pick a number, then the number you pick, that guy's out. 2. Yo! Yo!
I be by myself, but I ain't lonely. Yeah, yeah, I ain't lonely. Yeah.
What's good, YachtFam? And welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment and share this with your friends.
You know what it do?
What it do?
I'm chilling with the boys.
The boys. We have just received our 100,000 subscriber play button. Oh yeah! Dando, please do us honest. I'ma go blind, gents. I'ma go blind.
Slowly, yo.
Yeah.
Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100? Yes. Or your 1,000 subscriber?
Temple.
Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up in a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of your growing community.
Yes, sir.
We are thrilled to see the development and community you're proud to honor an impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Screenshot for good luck.
Y'all are probably wondering why we're shooting this video so late. Last one to let go of the plaque keeps it. It's better to start at night, because if we start in the middle of the day, no one was gonna let go. People have to go home now, dude. So guys, hands on the plaque.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Since Reggie didn't know what he was doing, let's explain the rules.
Yeah.
He's not allowed to lift a finger. His hand must be like this the whole way. He can slide, obviously, along the plaque, but he can't lift a finger, nothing. Challenge number 1, let's go eat. Okay. Change of plans, actually.
I wanna let go.
It's too much. Yeah, it's been like 10 minutes, not even 10.
It's the walking. Like the walking, it just makes my heart so.
But yeah, change your plans. No one wants to eat because everyone's scared they're gonna need to use the bathroom. So we're just gonna do challenges.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go ask the subscribers for challenges, man.
The fam.
I don't know, I was like thinking of yours jumping all at the same time. And then the last one is squat.
Squat, yo. So 5 jumps, then squat on the last one. I wait, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's ask this guy, new challenge. We're not allowed to let go of this thing. So could you please give us a challenge to do, just so it can be easier for someone to let go? Because honestly, we're sick of holding this.
I'll stand like this.
For how long?
What, like 5 minutes?
No. Nah, 5 minutes. Now that's beast. 1, 2, 3, go. If you put your foot on the floor, you put your hand on your head for an hour.
You're gonna have to eat handless. Unless you wanna let go.
Yeah, just
That's
don't
an
eat.
option.
This is cheating.
That's 20 minutes. Math.
Also, box thing is right there. What? No, mine is on the thing. Mine is against my thing. Mine is against my leg. Like this. Mine is against my leg.
Can you lift your foot?
I'm gonna land. Viewers, what do you guys think?
Take it back a few seconds. Oh wait, now remove the full screen thing.
One man down, he's out. One man out of here. Now we can let go.
Now we have space. Just to make it harder for us to let go of this, can you please give us a challenge to do?
Can you?
No, real there.
Plank. Yo.
Yo.
For how long? A minute. That's simple. Never mind, let's bash.
1, 2, 3, go. 1 minute.
Try. I'm set.
I'm ready. What is that doing? What is that doing? What is this?
Lower your ass, son.
Is that a plank? That's not a plank. This guy's borderline on the floor. Randa's borderline on the floor.
I'm not cheating. Reggie, get the hell off the floor. How much time?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
Don't pull, don't pull. Just stand.
Okay, so number 1 is gonna be shucks. Number 2, Yoetu. Get it? Number 2, Oetu. Number 3, Maps.
A man is showing order straight.
Yeah, and I'm going out.
Number 4, Wunda.
Top
And
5.
automatically number 5 is Reggie.
Dog, you know 5 is just an easy number to say like, nah, 5.
Okay, now Toriso. Yes. I'm gonna need you to pick a number from 1 to 5. Pick a number, then the number you pick, that guy's out. 2.
Yo! Yo!
Boy, harder, boy. Next time.
It's a tough saving. Yo.
That's what I'm saying. Let's try.
Nah, but that's the point of the video.
Nah, let's just pick a
Nah, dog, we must stay here even if it's at 2 a.m. We're gonna go to your house.
Pick a winner, let's try.
I say we vote.
Nah, that.
Oh wait, let's pick.
Who says pick
How about
no?
Leander?
Yeah, also you pick me. If
No,
we're
you're not allowed
picking
to pick
winners, I
yourself.
pick me.
Okay, now, all of us at the same time. All of us at the same time.
Say a name,
Say a name, a random name.
3, 2, 1.
Yanda. Rams, that's too easy even.
Wait, who picked Leander?
All of us. Everybody picked Yanda.
He picked
Yanda won.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, well, sorry guys, it is no challenge. We're tired.
I'm like, let's try.
He's getting a plaque just
Yeah, dog, now you pick the name. I said it's not someone else.
Take your time.
Let go of my plaque, please.
I want to go home. He let go get us.
What do you mean?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Let's try your out.
Boy. Boy, you got played, boy.
Dog, like it was an easy play. That's the thing. Like,
Boy, you got
nothing is
played,
just
boy.
nothing is. Nobody was letting go. I don't know.
Exactly. Why did you let go?
Exactly.
I was like,
but people were looking at me. Dog, why?
but they were looking like, no. This
I feel because you fought the most. You
How
fought
did
the
that
most.
was planned?
in their mind,
How
it was
did
like,
that was
nah, this
planned?
must be a prank.
Any challenge.
Yeah, any challenge.
One second.
So basically, the challenge that was given to us, we have to try and reach that thing from on this line. You're not allowed to, like, you can step on the line, but I don't think you can. Yeah, and you have to reach the thing. Basically.
That's the hardest.
Chai. Chai.
Yes, sir. I'm going home with this flag.
Boy, how do you feel, boy?
I thought I was winning, guys, but
And Kibushi, you do.
Before you guys continue watching, our friend Assessa has just dropped her new music video. Click right here as soon as you guys are done watching to go watch the video. It is super fire, guys, trust me. The link is also going to be down in the description, and let's get as many views as possible. But now, let's see who won the challenge.
So niggas, still had it, gents.
I'm saying this guy must let Dennis try, but my mom.
Go home together, gents. Nah, let's. You sleep at his pose. Don't take this. It's upside down, upside down, upside down.
The boys that are saying,
You deserve it.
On the floor, dog.
people gave up long ago. You see who stopped caring? Bullet.
Wait, I stopped caring after like 2 hours. So when these guys just start here, I'm like, no, these guys will never let me.
We held this thing for like 4 hours.
Genuinely,
My
bro.
finger is in so much pain right now. You know, when I say I'm numb, I got a dog, like, like,
Yeah, nah, you just went through it.
I need an ice bath for my arm. What's that?
These are a good sport, bruh. But you gave up too easy.
Anyway, let's start the outro then.
Maps one. We're tired. Yo. Just wanna go home.
I got in the first fight.
My hands is so done. So when I tell you these guys have been sitting here, they've been honestly.
Like at some point we gave up on walking. We just sat down.
We stopped
sat down.
walking.
My mom is gonna bash me. Why am I still here?
But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, comment down. Congrats, Maps.
Congrats, Maps.
Congrats, Maps. Thank you, Maps.
Thank you, Maps.
Danko is thank.
Congratulations, my guy, or whatever.
And congratulations. Woo! The English runs away with the daytime, guys. Congratulations to all the boys for that. Like,
and thank you guys once again for 100K. Now let's go to 1 million.
yes.
Oh yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. We'll catch you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Yo, what's up?